What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a spectacular catch in Madden NFL 26. The process is actually pretty simple once you understand the timing. With top receivers like Justin Jefferson or AJ Brown, you'll see the animation trigger more often cause their ratings make these catches more consistent. The key to getting this animation is throwing a high pass. To do that, hold LB on Xbox or L1 on PlayStation while pressing the button for your receiver. This raises the trajectory of the throw, so your receiver has to reach up for it. Once the ball is in the air, select your receiver by pressing B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation. After you have taken control, continue holding LB or L1 as the ball comes down. That combination, a high pass plus the spectacular catch button, is what triggers the spectacular catch animation. For example, if you put your receiver on a streak and throw a high arcing pass, you can click onto the receiver, hold the spectacular catch button, and often trigger a clean spectacular catch animation. You'll usually get either the standard spectacular catch or the run after catch version where the receiver reaches out and make the grab while still moving. Just remember that these catches come with a downside. If a defender makes a contact while you're in the animation, the ball is much more likely to be dropped. With good placement and the right receiver, you can trigger the spectacular catch animation consistently. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.